Get rid of traditional methods for temperature measurements of fluids in your process automation. Get rid of complex wiring with the plug-and-forget technology of the WiT-es temperature sensor. WiT-es harvests its own energy at minimum 5 degrees C temperature difference in your processes. It does not require kilometers of cabling and data transmissions, saves 100% of cabling costs by providing wireless transmission. WiT-es data transmission speed and ultra-low energy consumption are at record levels compared to other wireless sensors. We are aware that the key to achieving digital transformation and the Internet of Things is the freedom of data providers. What about you?